Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav Bisa from InCred Equities. Nifty had a very interesting session yesterday. We started on a mild negative note. We went towards 25,850, and it looked that Nifty would see some more pressure looking at how the world markets behaved, especially US, where we witnessed incremental fall happening. But that was not the case. Nifty witnessed a smart bounce back, and as the day progressed, it kept on gaining strength. And that too on a day when Bank Nifty did not outperform. If you see the quantum, the absolute upside in Nifty and Bank Nifty remains the same. In terms of percentage, Bank Nifty has moved less compared to Nifty yesterday. So in that perspective, Nifty did quite well. A good part of upside yesterday was on back of strong performance by IT, and that really set the tone for the bulls. Nifty comfortably cruised above 26,000 mark, finally closing around 26,050. With this, we have made a fresh swing high on an immediate basis. And in terms of Nifty futures, once it gives a close about 26,110, it will see a fresh breakout, which can then push it by another 200, 300 points in a short-term basis. So the undertone remains positive. We discussed the call writers being quite confident of Nifty not moving above 26,000 mark. Yesterday was the first day. If Nifty sustains today, also about 26,050 or rather 26,020, we may see call writers being forced to cover their positions. And this is interesting because today it's Nifty expiry weekly basis, and that can impact the covering as well. GIFT Nifty is pointing towards 85 point start as we speak. So in all likelihood, we open on a small gap up note. If we sustain 26,100 spot, call writers will have to cover the positions, and that can push Nifty towards 26,200 levels today itself. US markets today closed flat to mild positive, and that is good that there is some stability after 2 3 days of continuous fall in US markets. They are also trading near their respective support areas as well. So let us see how Nifty pans towards the second half of trading session, because that will set the tone for the next week. If indeed we have a follow buying to yesterday, then probably 26,500 in the current month itself is very much possible. Bank Nifty will have to be at the forefront. We recommended Bank Nifty to our clients yesterday. It made a fresh swing high that can see another 400 500 points upside. For risk takers, buy Nifty futures once it sustains about 26,100, keeping stop loss of 100 points, playing for 200 300 points target. Bank will have to push Nifty index today. uh, IT index can give a push for a day or two, but ultimately Bank Nifty has to outperform. The instances when Bank Nifty has moved up, has and based on which Nifty also moved up, has always been higher, and it has been more of a long-lasting thing. So in that sense, Bank Nifty has to click today. If Nifty opens 100 points higher, I don't see a lucrative trade as such. People can keep on carrying the trade, but I don't see a lucrative trade as such. But once Nifty sustains about 26,100 spot, then probably one can still nibble on the trade. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing,